Hello, this is Christina from Nexus Property Management. We are at 1500 Worcester Road in Framingham at a single bedroom apartment, first floor. This is the entry to the unit. Coat closet, plenty of space, very clean. This is a brand new apartment. As you can see, everything is very nice and wonderful with floors, very bright. This is the bedroom. You have two closets in this bedroom. Very nice. I love this lighting. From here we will go into living room / kitchen. Look at the space. Countertop, behind it it's the sink, stainless steel appliances. Again, a lot of light, plenty of counter space, including on the island here. Big spacious refrigerator. Very, very nice. Laundry unit in the building, gym unit, storage unit, plenty of parking space. Next step is the bathroom. Look at this modern, wonderful look. Again, plenty of lights. Bathtub, always a plus. Thank you. We're at 1500 Worcester Road in Framingham.